Hello guys, Alicia here. We're winding up on cracking this whip, Vogue 8146. This is how the jacket is looking on me without the buttons. I want it to be a bit oversized, so the next time I make it, I'll definitely make it larger. The sleeves are a 3/4 inch sleeves, and as you can see, they're just about fitting me. So what I'm gonna do is just serge it and do a little tuck. Guys, we're making the buttonholes now. This material is so thick, I had to work on it and work on it and work on it. But I decided to try it and see what it's gonna do. We'll see. So they came all looking kind of great. I put some paper on the front and back of them. Got to clean them up. This one of them, this one right here didn't kind of finish at the bottom, but I left enough thread so I could go in and fix it, sort of. And the top one, when I first started, did not do at all. So I may not try that again. I might just leave it open. I'm not sure at this point. So let's clean these buttonholes up and get rid of the paper. So welcome back. This is day 11th of VLOGMAS, cracking the whip on 8146. That's Vogue. Is a jacket. It's a vintage pattern. I just finished dealing with the buttonholes on this thick fabric. Had to do a lot of try and errors on it. It's very, very thick. And I'm just cleaning it up and removing the pins, and I'm gonna remove the paper. This is the stitch that I had. It was for a heavyweight fabric. It took some doing to get these buttonholes straight. So I'm gonna remove the paper. I had tearaway paper on the back and front because I believe that some of the fabrics were getting caught in the feed dog. So I put some paper in the back, and I already had the template on the front of the fabric for the buttonhole placements. So as you can see, this is how the buttonholes are looking. They look very good. We're gonna see if they're functional. I'm gonna finish tightening them up and opening them up. Okay, so I sewed that one little lonesome button right there. And I got to do the other two. And like I said, I'm going to leave the top open like this. And this is how the little jacket has turned out. Still have to press and everything else. But this is just about the end of cracking the whip with Vogue 8142, a very easy jacket. So we finally got all three of the buttons on, and I'm leaving that open, like I said, and this is how it's looking. Okay, so my favorite part of the video is, you guessed it, the Advent calendar. Thank you for coming today. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Let's open another door and see what festive ornament is in store for us today. Ooh, look at that. It's a thimble with a snowflake on it. Let's hang it on that tree. Know what we gotta do. So I'm so happy to be here with you all. I hope everyone is being blessed and having a marvelous, marvelous season. Not just through the season, but every day. Let's see, where should we hang our thimble? The tree is really, really in. Let's hang it right here. Just right here. And there it sits. Right with the thread. The basket. The tape measure. Thank you for coming. Happy VLOGMAS. Okay, so here is the final look. And tomorrow, we will start on another whip until we complete it. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for joining me for Cracking the Whip with Vogue 8146. I appreciate you. Thumbs up the videos. And if you have not watched the previous videos, please go back and do some. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.